Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Start by unlocking your iPhone and staying where you are. Once done, swipe down from the middle of the screen to open Spotlight. Type Calendar into the search field. The app should appear immediately. Tap the calendar icon to open it. This method works whether the app is on a hidden home screen or tucked in a folder, and it's faster than hunting through pages. If Spotlight finds multiple results, choose the app entry labeled Calendar. If Spotlight didn't work, swipe left past your last home screen to reach the app library. Locate the Productivity or Recently Added group and tap Calendar to open it. Alternatively, add a calendar widget. Long press an empty area on your home screen, tap the plus, choose Calendar, pick a size, and place it. Widgets give one-tap access and show upcoming events. Once the widget is set, you'll always be a single tap away from your schedule. To finish, open Settings and scroll to Calendar to confirm default calendar and sync accounts. This ensures events show correctly. If Calendar is missing, open the App Store, search Calendar, and reinstall. Sign into your Apple ID if prompted. Make sure calendars are enabled under Settings Mail or Accounts for synced calendars. If the app won't open or events don't appear, restart the iPhone. A reboot often clears temporary glitches and restores normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.